Hey everyone, I made it into a different Costco. So we have the My Charge Universal 3-in-1 with the stand. Okay, so in their kitchen area, we have a 12-piece for pasta, for dinner plate, and all-purpose for 20 each. And the 16-piece will be 47. And $40 for the stoneware. I know we've seen these before. So if you love that all white one. And the dinner bowls, a 4-pack is $15.99. 27. This is kind of cool. This kind of reminds me of like IKEA cafeteria vibe. Like serving, you know. But hey, it works. 19 for a 6-pack. And 25. And a 25. I do like this, especially for the summertime. So these are $10 now for 18-piece. If you do have little children, this will come in handy. Okay, the Smart Rower is $400. So I've been eyeing rowers. I really want one. This one ends on the 15th. And $29.99, so 30. The dumbbell set, you get 3-pound, 5-pound, and 8-pound. So the chairs are back. They're going to be 50. And $90 by Sonoma. Okay, this location has quite a bit of new liqueur. I know a lot of people hate looking at it, but I like looking at the new stuff. Pork and beef. Okay, I don't think I've seen this one. Product of USA. You get 24 in here. And $15. We have lemongrass chicken balls, pork free. And it looks like this one is $14.69. Teriyaki pineapple. Oh, that sounds kind of good. Teriyaki pineapple. Like I pull that out. Spicy poke. Okay, so $20.78. It is $20.99. And this one's going to be a little different for 21. The Fiesta mix. Ooh, really? These are $9 for a 32 ounce. Immunity is $15. Okay, I've never seen this one. So $29.99 and you get 88 in here. It is gluten-free and vegan. What is this, like matcha? Young barley grass powder. Interesting. I want to know the benefits. So Capri Suns are now pretty much 14 on sale for 11. Your limit is 10. Ends on the 15th. Gosh, just looking at it kind of makes me upset. This is 100% juice. So $9.59, 10% juice over here. But normally this is like $6.50. It used to be, you know what, even in Walmart, it used to be like $6 for that whole pack. That is so crazy. And $14.49 here. Okay, so I made it into the clothing department. Let's see, not as much new food here, just a little bit. These are going to be $10. Look at the fun polka dot one. They have a stripe one and an all black one. For children, they're going to be $15. You get a 2-pack long sleeve. They have green, black. Weatherproof vintage men's flannel is $17 here. Have green and kind of like a gray one. Adidas pant for men are $19. Okay, these are like very squishy. They're men's jacket. They're $30. I've never seen it, but I feel like it won't keep you warm, and if you got snowed on, rain, this would definitely soak ya. Okay, the button shirt. These are $15. The hang a $10. Taking a vacation. My husband would wear this all the time. I don't like it. Look at these though. They have the all black one, dark blue. They are button up. Character kid robe. These are $8. The pajama set too in here. Okay. You have Grogu and Minnie. You also have a princess one. And the 4-piece cotton PJ set. It's got, oh, like really different on the graphic. So cute, and the Mando or Grogu. I don't know. I'm kind of tired of looking at it. And we have Paw Patrol here. So $8 ends on the 28th. The Eddie Bauer. The little fleece one. It's still a little cool here. I mean, $8. Upsize and save it for next year. Okay, in the book department, grade 4. These are $15. Grade 2nd, 5th, and 6th in here. Tons of these. You get the writing pad too. Those are $10. Little House, Big Adventure. I have not seen this one yet. Oops, almost dropped that. Let me pick this one up. That is $18. And you guys know that Judy Blume is finally getting a movie. I think it was Judy Blume I was reading about. Daniels and Little Friends. So they have a T-Rex. These are $15. So a T-Rex, and you get like all the bones, all the guts on the inside. You can even do a shark one. Ancient Rome. I don't think we've seen the Rome one. We've seen the Egypt. $9.50. What else is in here before I head on out? Nothing too new. That's $11.99. Tons of Pete the Cat. I honestly don't think I ever read a Pete the Cat book in my life. I know my children have. A Book of Feelings for $11.50. In My Heart. I Love You Night and Day, $11.50. Colors and Shapes are $11.50. I Spy, 18. Wow, still around. Pre-K. Panda Bear, what? And that's 8. And Peppa Pig, of course. I believe we might have seen this one from a different Costco. Oh look, here's the Minecraft. There's quite a bit of Minecraft, $8.50. And of course, Diary of a Wimpy Kid is mixed in here. Nothing beats the original cast, sorry. And cookbooks. Nothing too new in the cookbook department either. They're all her. Everywhere I go. Of course, a lot of vitamins on sale, $11.49. Ends on the 22nd. Your limit is $15. Aleve liquid gels are $15. You get 160. Your limit is $15. And Kirkland's Children's Multi is $8.50. Ends on the 22nd. Your limit is $15. $14 for Advil. You get 360. Ends on the 22nd. Cranberry, 17. Ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 15. Bengay, okay, $7.59. Ends on the 22nd. You know what's really good? Like CBD. There's a cream that my husband's back doctor gave him, and he was like in love with it. We tried to order it, but it still hasn't come. It's been like 2 months. But I hear it's supposed to be really good for you. Okay, and 37. Old Spice, $15.99, and you get 4. It's supposed to be aluminum free. I mean 4 for $15.99. I think these are like $6 a piece now in Walmart. And Lancome is $35.99. On top, Estee Lauder Micro Cleansing Balm. This one is $33. The 2-pack will be $34. Ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 3. Alright you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.